All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Arts and Crafts. My name is Miss Shannon from the Maxton Public Library, and I'm glad you were able to join us this morning as we are going to be making this very fun little paper rainbow cloud. So he is super happy that spring has arrived, and we're starting to see some birds chirping in the morning and some flowers popping up and lots more rain. And so after we have a big rainstorm, we sometimes see a rainbow. So we are going to make our very own little rainbow cloud today, and we'll go over the materials that you got in your kit if you have picked one up from the library. So you should have 7 little strips of paper, all different colors of the rainbow. And then we also have a little cutout of a cloud and 2 little black circles that we're going to use as the eyes. And so that's everything that comes in your kit. The only other things you will need is a glue stick and some markers. And that should be it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to point my screen down so you can see my workspace. And we're going to start with our cloud cutout. And we are actually going to make our face first. I will try to get my example that you can kind of see in the picture. So we have our 2 little eyes. So we're going to grab our 2 black eyes and then our markers. So I'm going to grab my glue stick first, and we are going to glue on our 2 little eyes. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my first little black circle, and it's going to go somewhere in the middle. You can choose where you'd like to put your eyes. And we're going to glue both of them on there. All right, so our cloud has some eyes. He also needs a smile. So we're going to grab our black markers, and we are going to draw a little smile on our cloud. He is very happy for a rainbow. Give my little cloud some rosy cheeks. So I have a little pink marker here that I'm going to give him some rosy cheeks. And if you guys want to decorate your cloud even more, if you want to put some stickers on him or just use some more colors, feel free to. So we have our face of our cloud all set. So now we need to add a rainbow. So we're going to grab our strips of paper, and does anyone know all of the colors of the rainbow? You can go ahead and shout them out with me if you do. So our first one is red. And then our next color is orange. So if you want to grab your strips along with me, you can place them on the table in order. So first we have red and orange. Next, we have yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. So we have all 7 strips of paper all lined up in a row. All right, so now we need to attach them to our cloud. So I'm going to just move these to the side a little bit, and we're going to take our cloud and we're actually going to flip him over so it's on the back. And we have all of our strips ready. And so we're going to grab our red strip first. We're going to put some glue on the back. And we're actually going to glue it on the right side of our cloud, because when we flip it over, it'll be on the right side. So we're actually putting our rainbow on backwards, which seems a little silly, but it'll look great when we turn it over. So on the right side of your cloud, we're going to glue on our strip. And it's towards the bottom of your cloud. All right, what's the next color? We have orange. So we are going to put some glue on our orange strip. And again, on the right-hand side, we're going to put it right next to our red strip. And we're just going to keep going. I'm going to grab the next strip. We've already put them in order. And so next is yellow. And I'm putting mine in a straight row. If you'd like to, you can put them at different heights. totally up to you. So our next color is green. And then blue, so this is the light blue strip. And then we have indigo or dark blue. And then very lastly is our violet strip, our purple. So this is our last strip. So we have all 7 of our strips. We have glued them down, pressed real hard so they stick. And then we're going to turn our cloud over. And now we have our rainbow. You can see our red is on the left now. And that is our little paper cloud. So now you have your very own paper cloud. You can hang this up in your house somewhere. If you'd like, you could hang a little string from it if you'd like to hang it, or you could just put it in your window and just add a little color to the beginning of spring. All right, does anyone have any questions? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little craft, and we will see you hopefully again soon. All right, bye.